Hello, welcome people to another session of Maths I Can Do with teacher Kevin. Today, you're going to be watching a video conferencing lesson on the topic of parameters and area of plane figures. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the lesson.
The diagram shows the plan of a sport ground. Hey, this is a field, right? Not drawn to scale. The field is represented by a shaded part. Ooh, okay. Do you understand? The field is represented by a shaded part. Okay, so yeah, maybe I draw this one for you. Here is the shaded part. The field I shade for you. See the field? It's made of a rectangle. Okay, there. Ooh, wow, cool, man. Can you see how? Okay, this is the field. It's made of a shaded part, which is made up of rectangular area, 140 by 100 meter. Who is the 140? Where to where is 140? Here is the length, must be 140. Get it or not? Here must be the 100. Everybody understand or not? Hello? Hello? Understand or not?
Yes.
And made of two semicircle. Half a circle is called semicircle. You understand or not? Half a circle is called a semicircle. A full circle is here. Here, I show you. This is the full circle. Yuan following? Yuan? What color should I make it be? Pink. See, my circle is changing color then. Pink. Okay. Red. Ooh. Which color is nice, huh? Pink. Okay. So this circle is actually here. The other part is here. Can you see, Yishuan? So these two parts form a full circle. Can you see or not? You got half a circle here and half a circle here. Yishuan can see or Yuyan can see or not?
Yes.
Okay, so this two half is actually equal to one circle, isn't it? Yes or not? Okay? And what is the radius of a circle? He also tell you. Actually, don't need to tell you. You know why? Because I tell you here 100. The radius must be like half the diameter, right? This is the diameter, yes or not? The diameter is 100. In fact, no need to tell you, right? The radius you should know already. Agree or not? The radius is center to the circumference. It's called the radius. Can you see, understand, people? So they even tell you radius is 50. Actually, don't need to tell you, isn't it? You can see, right? Because this is 100. This is half of it must be 50. See, the radius spin. The other 50. You should understand, since you say you never hear of circle before, learn it now. Okay? Now hear already, don't say never hear before. Okay, again? Radius, 50. The field is surrounded by a running track, 6 meters wide. You know where's the running track or not? Which one is the running track? This blue one is the running track. Can you see? And then when he turn the circle, he also turn the circle. Ian, understand or not? Ian, this is your running track. So this circle also here. Get it? Can you see or not? So everywhere is 6 meter apart. Okay? So if I don't have, I'm drawing using my mouse, so I try to turn nicely for you. If it's not nice, don't blame me. I'm just drawing using a mouse. So you can see this circular track. Okay, 6. Can you follow? Whatever it is just surrounded by a track, the blue one, which is 6 meter wide. Understand? You are okay now? Calculate the distance traveled by the athlete who ran 8 times round the outermost boundary. This is called the outermost boundary of the running track. Okay? Now, just now we learned the area of a circle is pi r squared. The area is pi r squared. Okay? But now I want to learn what is the circumference. Circumference means just run outside the circle, Yixuan. The circumference formula is 2 pi r. You better remember, nobody will tell you. This you need to know in your exam. The circumference of a circle, 2 pi r. Just now the area was pi r squared. Okay, I give you the formula. All right. Pi, if they never say, then you use your calculator pi. Can you look at your calculator? Your calculator got a pi value there, right? Something like shiny, golden color. You have to press shift or something like that. Yixuan, have you seen before? Yu Yan should.
Yes.
Okay. Now, you want to run the outermost. What must we add? We must add from here to here. How much, Yu Yan? How much you ran from here to here? How much? How much, Yu Yan?
140.
Yeah, 140. Yes, he ran here. After that, okay, I'm assuming he start from here, right? Then he must add another 140, isn't it? On this side. If he made the circle turn and he start again, he coming back from 140. Yes, not? So he 140 here, he from here come 140. Yes? Yeah, not? Now, the thing is, how to calculate this big circle? Actually, he ran 140 plus 140 and one giant circle. Understand why? Understand why? Because he ran one giant circle. You should understand this giant circle here. If I expand it, this is your giant circle. Yeah, not so nice lah, but can you understand? Can you see that? Can you see that?
Yes.
And then the other side is half also. So actually it's a one full circle. Do you understand what I'm saying? So one full circle, the formula I already given you. Now the only problem is, do you know the radius? Do you know the radius? Anybody can tell me the radius? Is it given? It is 6 meters. And just now here to here was how much? Here to here is how much? Here to here is how much? Here to here is how much? Same circle. Here to here is how much? Come on. How much, Yuan? Here to here is how much?
50.
50. Yeah, here to here is 50. Then all you need to do 50 plus what? He say is the track is all how much difference? Can you see? How much difference is this? Hello? How much difference is this? See the changing color one? What is the how long is it? Same here, right? People, same here, right? Here, see this one? Changing the color for you, see? How much? 50 plus how much? Anyone? 50 plus how much?
6.
Yes, so the radius of 56. Yixuan, understand not? Yixuan.
Yes.
Okay? So here he add 6 because, right? This guy is the 6. So 50 plus 6. Understand? Okay, so the radius is 56. Get it? So this radius is 56. So what do you do? So the circumference is 2 times your calculator pi, since he never say anything, and the radius is 56. Times, okay? So after you times this, you add 140 and another 140 will give you the whole length that he run, the whole distance that he run. Agree or not? Agree? Faster go and calculate. Put calculator and don't give me wrong answer. That's all. Right? Yishan, you put a video up, then you tell your friends no time to tuition or whatever, like Shirley. Then go and see anytime you want. I'm sure everybody needs this type to know the area of like parameter of figures, right? Or not? It helps. Okay.
631.8583772.
6, 3, 1 point
858
858. Okay.
3772.
Okay, no need. So normally if your teacher says, if they never say anything, you have to give in 3 significant figure. Okay, I just telling you. I trust this number is correct. So this is running 1 round only, right? Hello. But the question one, what? Look at this. 8 times round the outermost. So you need to times what? 8. Please give me the final answer.
5054.
See? 5, 0, what?
54.864.
5, 4. 0.6, whatever, I'm not interested. Because when they didn't tell you to give in decimal or 1 decimal, you have to give in 3 significant figure. In this case, change to 3 significant figure is what? 5? Anyone? 3 significant figure. Do you know your significant figure? Subject? Learn before, right?
5050.
Yeah, you know why? 505, we don't want all this behind. So before we throw them away, this guy is 4, useless. If it's 5, I have to put 506. In this case, 4, useless, just put 0, 5050. I don't even need the decimal. Get it or not? In this case, it's meter, because it's talking about meter. So 5050 meter. Now you understand? Okay, we are doing the next one. Calculate the total area of the running track. What is the area of the running track? How do you calculate the total area of the running track? Anybody know? What's the total area of the running track? You know what they're asking you? The area of the running track. Here is the area of the running track. I shaped for you. Yeah, look. This is the area of the running track. Here. It's from here to here. That means 140 times what? Rectangle. Just a rectangle. 140 times what? What is this line? We just now established, right? What is this line? 140 times what?
6.
6, isn't it? Can you see not? The length is 140, the breadth is 6. That's another one here. Can you see not? Get it? Okay? Hello, understand, Yishan?
Yes.
So you need to add 2 rectangles. Now, this is the curving part. How to find the curving part? Okay? What you do is you find the now, because there's one part here. Wait, see, there's one part here, there's one part here. 2 of them join together a circle, right? How to find that? It is when you have this one. Now, let's learn. When you have this one. one full circle, which is here, right? Okay. The other circle, which is here, right? But we need to dig out the black color one. See the black color one? Disturb me. Can you see? This one, the track is okay, but we need to dig out the black color one. So what we need to do is find one giant circle, green one, the area, right? Minus the black color one. Understand or not? This one. Dig out the black color one from there. Can you understand? Then I have the track. Do you understand? Yishan, can you see? Can you see? So how to find this track? You find the area of the big giant circle minus the black color circle area. Do you understand what I'm saying, people? Yuan, do you understand what I'm saying? There. To find this one, I need to find the area of the big giant green one. Can you see or not? Minus the black. That's what I'm trying to tell you. See or not? Cool? This part and this part the same. So it is like find one giant circle minus one black color circle. Can you understand? Understand what I'm trying to tell you, people? Oh, it draws so nice, man. Get it or not? Yuan, do you understand what I'm saying? Do you agree first? Later we'll do together. But you need to find one big green one, circle, big one. Right? With big radius minus the black circle with small radius. Agree or not? Want me to say again, explain again, or understand? I said to find the green patch. This curving green patch. You find one giant circle, green, minus one small circle, black. You'll find a curvy one. Understand or not?
Understand.
Miss Yixuan?
Understand.
So we are now going to find the I don't want this, I don't want this now. Now yeah. So now we are going to find what is one giant green circle. What is the radius of the giant green circle? What's the radius? Who can tell me? What is this? Radius? What is it? Giant green radius is what? You look at the picture, you should know.
56.
56. Why? 50 plus 6. Yeah, no. 50, which is this radius, plus 6. Understand, Yishan? So, the area of a circle, told you, is pi r squared, right? So, the pi r squared big minus the black. The black one is pi r squared. What is the r for the small one? What is the r radius for a small one? Anyone tell me? The black color radius is how much? The black color radius is how much? The black color radius is how much?
50.
50, yeah? Already tell you already. So, there. In that case, if you understand, find the big, giant, green one, yeah, area. Dig out the black color one, yeah. We'll left the path, the green path that you're looking for. Yes, not the two green paths that you're looking for. Get it? They cut into half, then they one on each side. Can you see or not? Okay, so what's the formula? Use your calculator, pi. What value should I use for this one? Pi, what value is this? Come on. You just tell me already what? What is it? What value put here? You just told me what? What's the giant radius? Big radius. The outer green radius.
56.
56. You should understand or not? Minus the pi. What's the small one, Yishan? Black color radius, which one? How much? Just now ask you earlier.
50.
50 square. You understand? Yeah, the big area minus the small area will left the green color. Understand what I'm saying? Okay, go and calculate. That should be the answer. There. Look at here. People, look here. There, I blank out already. If you cut off the black color, we left the two green. Understand or agree or not? Half of the green here and half the green there. You join together, there's a running track. Understand what I'm saying? Here, if you cut out the black color one, right? Here is your running track. Can see, people? Yishan can see? If you cut off the black color one, you will left like that. That's why you join the running track. That's why I need to cut off the black color one. Can you understand what I'm doing? Yishan, can you see why I'm doing? Why I find the green one, dig out the black color one, left the running track. Can you see now?
Yes.
Okay, so yeah, go and do it. Just put calculator. See, Yishan, you're learning something very new, very important.
1998.052928.
9, is it? Slowly lah, 1998 ah.
Yeah.
Point
05.
05 ah. Okay, stop. Okay, this is for the two green one. He says calculate the total area of the running track. You don't forget to add the two rectangle just now. Yes, not? Just now I did tell you that you need to add the two rectangle, right? So you don't forget after calculate. I'm very happy. You need to add now what? Two more rectangle, right, Yishan? Do you understand where's the two rectangle? How to calculate the two rectangle? This one. We discussed, then we went off. This one, can see or not? Can see? Can see or not? This one, yes or not? And this one. So we need to add, from this one, need to add two of this rectangle. Do you understand? Two sets of this rectangle. How much is that? Two of this rectangle. How much is that? 140 times what? What's the dimension? Yuyan already told me earlier during the discussion time. 140 times what? The length is 140, right? What's the breadth?
Is it 6?
Yes, right? So you need to add 140, the length times the breadth of the rectangular one. But you don't forget, go up and down, right? Here is one, here is another one. Can see or not? So you need to times two of them. Get it? Then you add together. It should give you the total area. Must be chun correct. Give me the answer now, and then add together, you'll find the total. Okay, what is it? 140 times 6 times 2. Do you not understand why times 2? I have 2 the rectangle. Value?
1680.
1680. Add these two numbers together and tell me what is it. Point, no need, then 0.00. Add together. What's the answer?
3678.05.
3678.05. In that case, 3 significant figure will be what? 3SF will be what? No. I want this, I want this, I want this, I'm going to drop. But before I drop is 8. What must I do? So, Yuan, what is it? 3, 6, 7, I want the 8. I don't want because it's not the significant figure that I want. But I'm going to drop. But before I drop, it's 8. What must I do? 3,
6, 8.
6, 8,
Zero.
0. That's all. I don't even need all the decimal. Okay, that should be the answer. This area, then you must put meter square. Okay, that should be answer. Okay, come, we do part 8. This is interesting, man. Actually, this topic is good because it's quite challenging of all the shapes. Can you understand, Yishan? See, you hearing for the first time, but are you learning or not, Yishan? Hey, Yuan, you learning or not?
Yes.
Yeah, quite challenging, right? All these funny shape, you know, make us calculate like crazy. It's okay. Yeah, here now another beautiful shape. So I don't want this question. The figure below, not drawn to scale, is made of a trapezium. Okay, where's the trapezium first? Where can you see? Trapezium, die must see 2 parallel lines. Here is one. Here is the other. As long as 4-sided figure, with 2 parallel lines. This is your trapezium. Okay? Here is your trapezium. Okay? A triangle made out of a trapezium and a triangle. Very good. Very good. See? Tell you already. This is an isosceles triangle. Why? I didn't say. He give you a clue that this is equal to this. Get it or not? That means here also must be 5.5 cm. So far, so good? So far, so good?
Yes.
And a quadrant. Quadrant means a quarter of a circle. Quarter of a circle. See the radius? Is the radius given to you? Is the radius of a circle given to you? Is the radius of a circle given to you? How much is the radius of the circle? Anyone?
5.
Yeah, radius is 5. Yeah, radius is 5. Hey, then you will tell me, the trapezium, I don't know the height of the trapezium is not given. Is it given? Is it given? The height of the trapezium,
Yes.
is it given? How much?
5.
Exactly. Understand? You learn to see a very important concept today. The radius here is your height. You understand? So your height is also 5, although they never tell you. Okay, now, take pi as 22/7. Whatever they say you use. Calculate is area. Area. Wow, the area. So the area is what? Just add up the area of the trapezium, right? Okay, I'll just write down here, okay? Here, very good, very interesting, very challenging. Area of the trapezium. Okay, what's the area of trapezium? Is what? Half what? To you, the 2 parasite, right? Where are the 2 parasite? Here and here, right? So half plus what?
12 plus
12
8.5.
plus 8.5 times what? Don't say don't know. Times what? Times the height, right? What's the
5.
height? 5. How? You this one nobody will tell you. You have to remember half AB like half times base times height times 5. Okay, can we both of you put calculator and tell me? We do bit by bit. What is this value? Both
51.25.
51.25. Miss Yuyan, do you have or not? 51.25. I don't want to do until the end, then wrong. Have or not?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Good. So this guy, the trapezium, okay, don't. Okay, 51.25. Okay, Ken? Yeah. Then how about this area of the isosceles triangle? Half times base times height, right? Half times, where's the base? Where's the base?
5.5.
The base is 5.5. Are you kidding me? Base. Where's the height of this isosceles triangle? Here's the height. Then I give you 3. You know, if this 3 was the base must be perpendicular height. Where's the base?
12 cm.
Yes, pointing to you. Can you see or not? Dang. You know, each one what 5.5. Can see? You know, half times the base is 12 times the height, which is 3. Can see or not? Okay, give me this value.
18.
16?
18.
18, Okay, can see or not? Finally, what is the area of this quarter circle? What is the formula? You can tell me? The formula of a circle is what? Just now tell you already what? Can you remember or not? Yuan, tell her. Yuan also don't know just now. Tell me some other thing. Yuan, tell me what's the
Pi
formula of
r
circle?
square.
Pi r square, Yuan, Okay. But here I only have 1/4. Do you understand? So this green one is 1/4 of pi r square. So what's the value to put 1/4? He said take pi as what? Take pi as what? Here.
22/7.
What he say you follow lah. What is the R? What's the R?
5.
5. In that case, square. Book calculator. Tell me what's the value.
19.642.
19.642. Yuan agree or not?
Yes.
cm squared. Okay. See, calculate the area. Calculate the area. What must we do? We add the trapezium one, 51.25, plus the blue triangle one, which is 18, plus your quarter circle, which is 19.642. And that should be the answer. And give it to me in 3SF. Give the answer first, then we round to 3SF. 88? That's what? So nice.
88.8928.
88.89. I want 3SF. What is it? No. What is 3SF? So, what is it? Ian? That means
88.9.
don't want this. So don't want this is 5 above. We add 1 here. So the answer is 88.9 cm squared for area. Get it? Vishan?
Correct.
Find the parameter. Parameter. Parameter means add all the outside one, right? Okay? We start with the blue one. Okay, again? Start with blue one, Look, the parameter start with the blue one here. Starting point number 1. Maybe start here. Okay, start here. Starting point number 1. Number 2. Yeah? Number 3. Can you see not? Right? Number 4. Can you see not? Right? Number 5. Can you see not? Okay? And you can add number 6. You'll find the parameter. Yes, not? Okay. So parameter is start at number 1 is what? The parameter is, tell me, what plus what? 5. Point number 1. 5.5 plus what? Come on.
Plus 5.5.
The step number 2 is 5.5. See? Plus number 3,
6.5.
6.5. Here, I change color to help you. Plus 6.5. Right? Plus number 4.
8.5.
Do you understand what we are doing this? The parameter. Okay, then plus
5.
the 5th one is 5. Now the 6th one is give us headache. Not headache lah. I told you what is a formula for a parameter. Circumference of a circle. Circumference of a circle was the formula. Now remember now. Area is by r squared. This one is? Anyone? What Yu Yan said earlier for the area. 2 pi. Okay. Understand? Now, Yishan, I explained to you once and for all. Once and for all. Now, circle, area. Can you see the area? This is circle without shaded inside. Okay, one is a ring to put on your finger. This is your gold medal that you received during Olympic game. Can you see the difference? When you want to get married, the guy buy you this full gold, no use to you. Cannot put on your finger. Okay? Both also have its use. Understand? Get it or not? When you want to get married, you get this. This one not solid gold. Not solid gold. Both also have pi r. You see? Pi r. This guy, the full gold, it's like gold medal, This one will cost more. Both also have pi r one. Both also have 2. Okay? This one just 2 times. Lousy one, not full gold. This one, the 2 is the r squared. This is the area one. Okay? This is the circumference. Okay? This is lousy in the sense that not full gold. Just the 2 times. This is r squared, very powerful one. Because like 2 times 8 is useless. This one, r is 8, right? 8 square is more powerful, right? 8 squared is 64. This is only 16. So, get it? So comparatively, this is like 16 in gold. This is like 64, 64 in gold. Can you see it? But everyone has this use. When you want to get married, you want the ring to put on your finger. You give you a medal, poke your finger through how to make it. You don't want this medal. It is when Olympic, yes, you want the medal. Get it? Now you understand why you need to study area and circumference? Hello, Yishuan. Get it or not? Hello, Yishuan, when you want to get married,
Yes.
you want a guy propose you with the Olympic medal. Cannot even fit your finger with the ring. What for? Yeah, ask him go get a ring. Yeah. Then is it silly woman, cheaper some more, 2 by R only. Yes, not empty, hollow one. Right or not? He thought he impressed you, right? He buy you a medal, right? Then put your finger through, right? Put until your finger bangkok already, bended already, you cannot put through, right? You say, don't need so much gold lah, silly guy. Just buy a hollow one lah. Right? Hello, get it? There is it pi r square or 2 pi r? Which one? Which one? When you want a ring to put on a finger, the guy proposed.
2
Which one
pi
you-
r.
Yeah, 2 pi r. Yes, not. So when after you agree to marry him, they must ask my mother first permission, right? Then he goes to your mother. He must bring what? Because Chinese people you get married, you must give dowry one. Understand? Or? So which one should he bring? Pi R squared or 2 pi R? He must bring a
2
piece of
pi R.
gold, right? He want to bring 2 pi R to your mother and propose to your mother again
No.
Crazy Must give pinching, pinching dowry, to like buy the daughter lah, not say buy lah, but Chinese is like that one, right? Custom. Then he must bring what? Must bring a solid piece of gold lah to impress your mother, right? If not, you bring 2 pi R, your mother say, "Ba, come here, see, you want to propose, your daughter also want to propose to me." Throw away the ring, yes or not? No value, hollow one. Don't get it Huh? Hey, get it or not?
Yes.
I make sure your boyfriend proposed to you with a ring. But when you seek permission from your mother, bring a solid piece of gold to impress your mother. Get it or not? So the solid piece of gold, what formula? You can't tell her. She still doesn't know. Blah, blah. Yuan, the boyfriend, when you want to seek the mother permission, must bring a solid piece of gold so that the mother agree. Understand not? This is the dowry. Understand not? Which one must he bring? Pi R squared or 2 pi R? Pi R squared, understand? If not, a mother say objection, then you know you marry the guy already. Xi Xuan, understand not? Okay? I don't know why Yu Yan is listening. Okay. So here, he want a quarter of the circumference. So use what? Number 6. Coming back to here. A quarter of the circumference. Which formula to use? First, I use a quarter. Do you know why I use a quarter? Because only a quarter of circle only. Get it or not? Hello? You understand? A quarter of a circle only, Yi Xuan. See? Of this, only 1/4 only. Don't want the everything. Get it or not? Hello? Toing, 1/4 only. Can see or not? Hello? 1/4 only. Get it? The last one, the number 6, 1/4. Don't go and use a full circle. So 1/4 of what? Which formula?
Is it 2 pi R?
Yes. Yeah, no. Hello. 1/4 of the 2 pi R, which is like here. They just want this one. 1/4. Get it? Yi Xuan can see 1/4 of your 2 pi R only. Get it or not? Hello? Poof. Can see 1/4 only. Get it? Why you go and calculate the inside for? Yeah, no. Hello. So, okay, give me 1/4 of 2 pi R is what? 2 times 22 over 7. What's the R? Given or not?
Yes.
Yeah, what is it? Tell me lah.
5.
5. Okay, after that, I don't really care. You put your calculator for all this add together and you give me the answer. That's all. What is it? What is it?
38.857.
38.857. Yuan agree or not? Yuan?
Yes.
Okay, 3 significant figure? Anyone? 3 significant figure?
38.9.
Understand, Yi Xuan? I want up to here because this guy is a 5. Before you throw, you add 1 here. 38.9 cm. Yeah, that should be the answer. Okay, so we'll move on.
Thanks for joining us. Please give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe. And for more great tips like this, make sure to watch Maths I Can Do.